Lambot.
Hi.
Yummy. Ito masarap to sa umaga with coffee.
The chair is like $1 than you.
Okay, now meron kami guys 3 large of banana, mash na siya.
Now can I put it in?
Si Alip ang nag-mash dito. Yes, baba. Put it in. Okay, good.
Next time I'll try again. I hope I'm saying no.
And like this.
Yeah! Woo! That's so cool!
So, binit ko muna yung egg. 2 eggs. Tapos maglalagay ako guys ng unsalted butter. Ito ay soft na siya. Mga nasa 8 tablespoon. Yung isang stick na nabibili sa store, pwede na yun. Isang stick na ganun. So ako, tatansyahin ko na lang.
Mommy,
Yes,
is this one soft?
mm-hmm.
Can I turn on this time?
No, put down that first before turning on. So that's fine. We will put that one there.
Yes, first.
And then we will use this one for mixing. Guys,
I will do it.
wait, Alif. Here, I mix up with the half teaspoon of salt at saka 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Napakasimple lang po niya gawin. Pwede po ito sa kamay lang at saka kutsara.
Okay, now I see. Get it.
I told you like this. See? The way you hold is wrong already. Like this. Come. Because my oven is already very hot, Alif. So guys, kung gusto niyo maging moist yung banana bread, huwag niyo po ihalo ng sobra. Kasi, the more na parang, ano siya, yung crumbs, magiging soft po yung banana bread at saka moist. Ganon ang technique niya po.
Mama?
So, strong or fast mixing, nagiging matigas yung banana bread. Last week, nag-bake ako ng banana bread kasi gusto niya ng baon si school, si Alif. Naging 3 days lang sa amin, ubos na kagad kasi si Habi, matakaw din sa ganito. Tsaka si Alif, binimerienda, tapos binibreakfast. So, ubos ka agad.
Ma?
So, Baba, take your spoon and fill up this one.
Okay.
Yan guys, kailangan natin ganyanin siya para wala siyang airy sa loob ng bread. Ngayon ilalagay ko na siya guys sa oven. Yan. Yan guys, luto na yung aming banana bread na naging muffins. Ayan siya, guys.
That's the white one. I want purple one.
Yung aking bread, I think minutes pa. At least mga 5 minutes. Look at guys, very moist siya. Lambot.
Purple.
Yan.
So good.
So good. You like
Yeah,
it?
I like it. Yeah.
Remove from the skin.
No, I like it like this way. Some people eat it the normal way.
Yummy. Tapos ito, guys, crunchy.
Yummy.
Yung part na to crunchy.
Yummy.
Okay, na, Mama.
Everybody says that there's 2 people, so that's why I got 3 donuts. Right? And then cupcakes. Yeah, I got 3 of these because 1 for Daddy, of course, and if there's 2 people, then that makes 3.
Love you too, Baba.